Welcome to Business Bytes. The JSE finished the day up by 0.84% at 28,137 points. We spoke to Simon Brown from Standard Bank Online Share Trading looking at Sasol's results.
First impression, what we expected. I mean, what is Sasol? It's an oil company. We can see the oil price. We can see where the rand dollar is. Obviously, both of them hurt the earnings. If we drill into it, I mean, the dividend was frankly a surprise. And I remember 6 months ago when they came out with results on this very show saying that the dividend was disappointing. And this time they went the other way and said, well, let's sort of bump the dividend up. But a couple of other things. In the last set of results, they had a hedge in place which netted them 5 billion into the top line. Unfortunately, they also had a whole bunch of competition fines which cost them 5 billion, but I noticed interestingly the hedge is out of place. Now, Sasol's long had a strategy of hedging the oil price, 30% of their capacity, and that's no longer there. So obviously they're seemingly taking a bit of a guess and saying probably closer to...
The Nigerian market closed up by 0.5% at 23,047 points. We spoke to Damilola Ransewe of United Bank of Africa to give us a summary of today's trade.
Which is rather muted, because from what we've seen since February, 1st of February till now, the market has only grown 0.7%. So right now the market is flatlining, consolidating still, but there is really no impetus for the market. There is no push for the market right now. So what we see is a very cautious investment sentiments in Nigeria.
The NSE 20 ended the day 1% stronger at 3,743 points. We spoke to Henry Chege, Head of Research at Africa Investment Bank, looking at stocks driving the market.
The market has been on an upward trend today. And that's basically because the agricultural sector has been quite vibrant over the last 1 week over till today. This is basically due to, well, the positive sentiments running through those particular counters, whereby we've seen positive corporate actions by Sasini Tea and Ria Vipingo, and again with the rains that are on now, investors are sort of taking positions early enough in some of those counters.